Classification of animals. Hierarchy human, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, species Sapiens. Again you can see genus and species, they are written in italics. Now, binomial nomenclature. This is used to identify each organism. Binomial meaning it consists of two, and nomenclature means naming technique, and this method was suggested by the scientist Carl Linnaeus. Every living organism has been given uniform name throughout the world, and this name is called the scientific name. Now this scientific name consists of two parts. The first part is genus and the second species. And as per the guidelines of International Code of Nomenclature, every organism has a binomial name. Now, what is so peculiar about this genus and species? Only the organisms that belong to the same species can produce an offspring. All organisms belonging to the same species, they can have different color, different height, different habitat and habits, but they can still reproduce among themselves and form offsprings which are like themselves. Here you can see the scientific name of dog, Canis lupus familiaris. Cow, Bos taurus. Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Jawar, sorghum, bicolor. So you have to learn these scientific names. For wildlife protection, 29th April is observed as the World Frog Protection Day. And killing or harming of frogs is prohibited by Wildlife Protection Act. Now, why is this done? It is done for creating awareness about conservation of frogs in the environment. So children, in this chapter, we have learnt about adaptations. Adaptation in plants, adaptation in animals, and you have also studied about classification of plants and animals. So, read the textbook, go through and underline the words which are new for you. And in the next class, we'll start to begin with writing exercise. Thank you.